Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make incredible burgers. First, choose a quality beef blend, like an 80% lean and 20% fat ratio, for the best flavor and juiciness. Gently form your ground beef into loose, 4-ounce balls, not tightly packed patties. This preparation is crucial for achieving that perfect smash burger texture. Ensure your cooking surface is screaming hot before you begin. Now, let's get those patties ready. Season each beef ball generously with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Place them on your hot griddle and immediately smash them down to about 1/4 inch thick using a sturdy spatula. Cook for approximately 90 seconds on the first side, then flip them over. Once flipped, quickly place a slice of American cheese on top of each patty. Cover your griddle with a lid or a dome for about 30 seconds to create a steamy environment, ensuring that cheese melts beautifully and evenly. While the cheese is melting, toast your brioche buns, or your preferred bun, cut side down on the same hot surface to absorb all those delicious beef drippings. Finally, it's time for assembly. Place your perfectly cooked, cheesy patty onto the toasted bottom bun. Add your favorite toppings, whether it's crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, or tangy pickles. Finish with a delicious burger sauce on the top bun. Serve your masterpiece immediately to enjoy the ultimate burger experience. It's truly a game changer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.